Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make eba. Eba is a staple in Nigeria that is enjoyed by all regardless of tribe. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you 2 easy ways to make your perfect eba. To make your eba, you need toasted cassava flakes or fried cassava flakes known as Garri, and you also need hot water to make it. I'm gonna pour some water into the pot and bring it to a boil. You can use kettle if you want. The quantity of eba you want to make determines the amount of water you're gonna use. When the water comes to a boil, I'm gonna pour some of the hot water in the bowl that I will use to make the eba. I'm not gonna use all the water at once. I'm gonna save a little bit. So I'm gonna sprinkle the Garri very fast. Though the Garri is not raw, it's already fried, but to make eba, you have to use hot water to get a very good final product. There are different types of Garri, so depending on the type, there are some that have a lot of starch content, some don't have. Whenever you are making eba, you need to give it a shake because sometimes the Garri could be floating on top and water will be hiding underneath. So when you shake it, the water escapes, and you have to pour some water on top because every flake needs to be soaked in hot water. You can cover it to let it do its thing for like 5 minutes depending on how starchy your Garri is. If your Garri is very starchy, you don't need to do it. So this is how you make the Garri, just like this. You use this spatula to knead it like this. Be careful with the bowl, it is hot, so you can use a napkin to hold on to it, but I'm used to it. Let me use this opportunity to welcome those that are seeing my video for the first time. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. If you're enjoying the video, like it and share it. Also remember to turn on your notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. So let us check the eba to see how soft it is. If this is too soft for you, use less water. So eba is ready. You can eat it immediately. You could wrap it in a plastic wrap for presentation and preservation. Wrap it like this until you're ready to eat it. Special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. You guys are amazing. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. Some people like to use a scooper. If you want to use a scooper, just dip it in water and just scoop it out. Please though, I am also on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest. Please follow me on those platforms. Thank you. Wasn't that easy? This is the first method and it is the traditional method. This is how we make eba in Nigeria. So I'm going to show you the other method. So you're going to need water and Garri too, but I'm going to soak it. So I'm using 1 cup of Garri and 2 cups of water. I really don't measure it, but just for demonstration, we're gonna measure it together. So I'm gonna be adding the water gradually till I'm satisfied. One thing with Garri, whenever water touches it, it rises. So if you like strong eba, you can use less water. So I'm using 1 cup of Garri, 2 cups of water. I forgot to mention the temperature of the water I'm using. It is just water from the tap, not ice water, just cold water from the tap. This is actually my favorite way of making eba. Very easy. Just add water to the Garri, mix it, throw it in the microwave for 5 minutes, and when it comes out, it looks more starchy. It is more bouncy than the other one. So this is 1 cup of Garri and 2 cups of water. I'm just going to cover it and put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. There is something about cooking starch in microwave. It creates a lot of starch. You notice that the thing is more starchy. I don't really know why. I don't know how to describe it. Don't worry, you will see the difference by yourself. So 5 minutes later, take it out. and start kneading. So if this is too soft for you, you can use less water. This is perfect. You can see it has a lot of starch. It is very hot, really burning. So I like it. You can see it's the same Garri, but see, this one looks as if it has more starch compared to the other one. So maybe it's the effect of the microwave. So this is how to, and this is really the easiest. You don't have to boil water. Just mix it, put it in the microwave 5 minutes, and you're good to go. So let me show you how it is, in case you are wondering if it's too soft or so. It's not too soft, it's just okay. Trust me, it's gonna be less soft the longer you leave it out. So this is really perfect. It's just gonna glide down your throat easily. In Nigeria, we have different kinds of Garri. They are made differently. So like in Delta State, for example, we have different Garri. Some have more starchy content than the other. You need to understand the Garri you are using before you make your own eba, because different Garri are made differently. Like the temperature of water you are going to use to make Isoko Garri is different from the temperature of water you're going to use to make like Abraka Garri, for example. So you need to understand the Garri that you are using to make your own eba for your eba to be perfect. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of options here. We only have one type of Garri, so I cannot demonstrate how to make Isoko or any type of Garri. So these are the two easiest ways to make your perfect eba. You can give one or both of them a try. You've seen the difference between the two of them, and I promise you your eba is gonna be perfect every time you make it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you guys for watching. Until I see you next time, stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.